guests, my name is Karolina Adach Pawelus, and as Magdalena told you before, I am a Vice Dean of Education at the Faculty of Geoengineering, Mining and Geology at our university. And on behalf of our Dean, Professor Radosław Zingos, I would like to warmly welcome you at Wrocław University of Science and Technology and on the Faculty of Geoengineering, Mining and Geology. And I would like to introduce you some general information about our university, about our faculty. The next slide, please. Okay. Great. And the next slide, so some general information about our university. The next slide, please. So Wrocław University of Science and Technology was established in 1945 by the scientists from Lviv and Warsaw, and today is one of the best technical universities in Poland. We have almost 25,000 students and 2,100 academic teachers, which work at 13 faculties in Wrocław, and also we have 3 branches in Jelenia Góra, Wałbrzych and Legnica. The next slide, please. Our Faculty of Geoengineering, Mining and Geology, and the next one. Could you give me?
Yes, please.
Yeah, it would be easier for me, I think. Yeah. So our Faculty of Geoengineering, Mining and Geology was established in 1968, and in February 2013 we moved to the new Geocentrum building, which is a building for didactic activities. And before, we were located very close to the Market Square. And in November 2019, since November 2019, we have new laboratory building. This building is Geo3EM. This area, our Geo buildings area, is connected with our campus, main campus of Wrocław University of Science and Technology by the cable car, which you could see when you come here. Oh, yeah. In this Geocentrum, Geo3EM, Energy Ecology Education building, our faculty have 5 laboratories. Laboratory of Earth Sciences and Mineral Engineering, Laboratory of Modeling Technology in Mining, Laboratory of Machine System in Mining, Accredited Belt Conveying Laboratory, as well as Accredited Work Safety Laboratory. The first laboratory of Earth Science is it is Laboratory of Earth Science and Mineral Engineering. The main goal of this laboratory is to determine the parameters, the characteristics, the physical-chemical characteristics of gases, underground water, rocks, or even meteorites. We have here electron probe microanalyzer for testing rocks as well as meteorites. As a part of this laboratory, we have also unique lab for rocks, natural stone and aggregates testing, different machines for testing different kind of rocks. And the second laboratory is Laboratory of Modeling Technology in Mining, when we have various types of computer programs which are used for modeling of geological structures, of the mining constructions, and also a laboratory when we can use VR visualization for simulation for different kind of geospatial analysis. The next part of this laboratory is the Geomechanics Laboratory, which is divided into 2 parts. The first part we have MTS for testing rock samples, and the second part is the laboratory with different kinds of software for numerical analysis. We can design or judge the stability of the underground openings or open pit excavations, and we can simulate the stress distribution, strains, and so on around the different mining objects. The next one is Belt Conveying Systems Laboratory. where the elements of belt conveyors are can be designed or testing, like belts, idlers, also people working there design the transportation systems. And the Digital Mining Center, which include the mobile inspection robotics labs, as well as monitoring, diagnostics and modeling of processes, machines and environmental lab. This lab belongs to our dean, Professor Zimros, and they're testing a lot of new technologies used in mining engineering. The next one is modern geodesy for mineral exploration and mining, where we have mobile laser scanning system which can be used for landslides or quarry monitoring. Also, the photogrammetry analysis are done. Here you can see some examples of projects which we carried out at our faculty. And at our faculty, we are very close with mining traditions. Each year, we celebrate the Santa Barbara celebrations, which is the patron of the miners. And some information about our programs. So we have six programs at our faculty. The first one is mining and geology. We have bachelor and master studies, both full-time and part-time studies. The next one is geodesy and cartography. We have also bachelor and master studies from geodesy. And from the last year, 2021, we have also geoinformatics studies, bachelor studies. And from this year, our new programs, it's occupational health and safety, master studies, and geoenergy engineering bachelor studies, and raw materials engineering bachelor studies. So we just started this in this new academic year. In our faculty, we have very good proportion between active classwork hours, so projects, laboratories, and lectures. We have very strong cooperation with industry. They just industry gave internships. We have we do projects together and excursions for students and so on. And we have very modern computer laboratories with different kind of software which using which we teach our students. Also, we employ a lot of specialists from industry for teaching the students, just for them to be close with the industry. And we have two master programs in English. It's mining engineering with 3 specializations, and geodesy and cartography with 1 specialization, which is geomatics. Thank you very much for your attention, and I wish you a nice day in Wrocław.